Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are use WhatsApp apps on Android phone. WhatsApp app use any communication purpose and official purpose, but when person call you WhatsApp but ringtone not setting your WhatsApp calling option. If you want your WhatsApp calling option your like ringtone setting, then this video follow and see setting. How many settings WhatsApp call option your favorite ringtone? First, click WhatsApp apps. Then this interface showing your mobile phone display when open WhatsApp apps. Then upper side showing three dot option. Click three dot option and showing setting option. Click setting option. Now notification option showing when clicking this setting option. WhatsApp setting option. Notification click this interface showing your mobile phone display when click setting option. Now underside ringtone call option ringtone settings. See ringtone option setting, click and showing this option. Which file your favorite song or favorite ringtone keep, then click this option and click which ringtone setting, then click option and OK this option. Already settings selected your favorite ringtone. Thank you watching my video.